In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace text in Microsoft Word, an essential skill that can make editing documents faster and more efficient. Whether you're working on a large report, a thesis, or any document that needs revising, knowing how to swiftly replace words or phrases can save you a considerable amount of time. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open Microsoft Word on your computer. If you're not sure where to find it, here's a quick way to do so. Begin by clicking the Windows Start menu. You'll recognize it by the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu is open, you'll notice a search bar at the bottom where you can type in what you're looking for. Go ahead and type Word into this search bar. As you type, you'll see Microsoft Word appear as a suggestion. Click on Microsoft Word to open the program. Upon opening Microsoft Word, you're presented with your home page. Here you can either click on Blank Document to start a new project or select any recent document that you wish to edit. For the purpose of this tutorial, you can either open an existing document or create a new one to practice with. Next, with your document open, it's time to focus on the task at hand. Replacing text. In Microsoft Word, this feature is neatly tucked away, but readily accessible once you know where to look. To start the process, you want to navigate to the Home tab at the top of your window if it's not already selected. In the Home tab, you'll find a multitude of options for formatting and editing your document. Our focus, however, is on the Replace feature. This might require looking around a bit, as the interface can vary slightly depending on your version of Word. Generally, you can find the Replace option in the editing section of the Home tab. It often appears as a button labelled Replace, or might be represented by an icon, usually a pair of binoculars. Click on this Replace option to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box. Now you're in the right place to start making changes. The Find and Replace dialog box is split into two main fields, Find What and Replace With. In the Find What field, you will type the word or phrase you want to replace. Be precise to ensure that only the intended text is targeted for replacement. After inputting the text to be replaced, move to the Replace With field. Here, type the new text that you want to appear in place of the old. This is where you get to correct, update, or even change the tone of parts of your document with just a few keystrokes. Once you've typed in both the text you want to replace and the text you want to replace it with, you have a couple of choices. You can select Replace to change one instance at a time, which is useful for checking each change as you go. Alternatively, if you're confident, you can choose Replace All to instantly update every instance of the text throughout the document. This option is a significant time saver when you're working on lengthy documents. After completing your replacements, it's crucial to review your document to ensure everything looks correct. Typos in either the Find What or Replace With fields can lead to unexpected changes, so a quick proofread is always recommended. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the changes made, you can close the Find and Replace dialog by clicking on the Close button. This returns you to your main document interface, where you can continue working on your document or save the changes you've made. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to replace text in Microsoft Word. This feature not only enhances your efficiency, but also helps ensure your documents are error-free and up to date. Remember, like with any editing tool, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use this feature next time you're revising a document. It might just become one of your go-to tools in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your document editing experiences. Happy writing,